In this video, you'll learn how to list and sell digital products on eBay. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to successfully create listings for your digital items and ensure a smooth selling process. Begin by confirming that eBay's policies allow for the type of digital product you wish to sell. It is essential to create digital content such as templates, guides, or any other forms of digital media. Make sure that your product is original and complies with eBay's guidelines to avoid any issues during the listing process. Once you have verified compliance, the next step is to create your listing. Start by navigating to the eBay homepage and clicking on the sell option, usually found at the top of the page. This will direct you to the listing creation interface. Here, provide a clear explanation of how the digital delivery will work. Be specific about the file format, such as PDF or JPEG, and outline the usage rights associated with your product. Setting competitive pricing is crucial, so research similar products to determine the right price point. After you have filled out the necessary details, proceed to add images or previews of your digital product. This can enhance buyer. Next, review your listing to ensure all information is accurate. Pay attention to the description, as this is where potential buyers will look for details about what they will receive. Once satisfied, click on the List Item button to make your digital product live on eBay. After a purchase is made, you need to deliver the product through an approved method. eBay provides a way to send digital files directly through their platform. Navigate to your sold items by clicking on the My eBay tab, then selecting Selling, find the item sold, and click on Send Invoice or Send Digital Delivery as applicable. Provide clear download instructions to ensure the buyer knows how to access their purchase. It is also important to offer customer support if needed. Make it easy for buyers to contact you with questions or issues regarding their digital product. Prompt responses can lead to positive feedback, which is essential for maintaining a good reputation on eBay. Keep in mind that high-quality customer service can significantly impact your sales and future listings. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.